Hey, and welcome to Alt One. For the ones that follow me, they know I am into binary option, Forex, and robot and these type of things. But I'm now going to invite you to a new type of journey. We are going to try affiliate marketing. Um, I have seen a lot of videos about CPAGrip, how they are making this crazy money, like 500 a day and this was 58. You see $981 a day. So I was thinking, okay, this might actually be something I want to try also. So I will now invite you on this new journey where we are going to try out CPA Grid, and for that, of course, I do not have any websites. This is something I had in the past. So of course I'm going to do the same like probably you would do, buy traffic. Yes, I see that mean that shows free ways of driving in traffic. I don't like to work. I need to admit I don't like to be going and spamming different type of groups and things. I want to have things easy because you know me, everything I do I want to be easy, and I want it to be easy to be copy if we succeed. So you can see I have driven in some traffic already and nothing success. I did some mistakes, so I have changed that. For example, I can show you some of the mistakes I did from the start. I did, let me show you this offer. We need to go here. And just to understand, I'm not a professional in this, so I was in the past, but it's so many years ago, so I'm not updated, we can say like this. I have worked for some of the top affiliate networks in Europe, but that is so many years ago, so I feel like I'm starting over again. So this one I started with, okay? One of the mistakes I did see here, this one only pays 0.13. You think, how can you make money with that? We get to that. So this is for Brazil, okay? What I didn't start, I did send traffic for computer because I said also well, but I was not even thinking and reading at the same time. We can say like that. I will admit that. So, but basically it's only Android this is for. That's why this one is dark. It's just that this campaign I also can find in this. So I did send for all, but it's actually only this you can send for. So the lead I got, of course, is from Android. So then I take this link and all this good stuff, and I put it then into Propellerads. Propellerads is a place where you can buy traffic for pennies. Yeah, see here, 0.005. Did I say 10 too much now? 0.005. No, that's correct. 0.005 each click. That is this one. As you can see, I did set up one for Holland, because you can get for this cheap price also. I did set up one for Germany and one for Mexico. Yes, Mexico also actually. So let's now first take a look at this iPhone Android. I did show it here. We can, for find our offer, we go to offer tool, we go to my offer. Then we choose Brazil, that come up here now, right now. Then what I'm looking for, I look for the ones that give me the most EPC. That means the clicks that come into this network and how much average click can earn compared with this payout. Also, below the video you will find a link to CPAGrip, and you will find a link to Propellerads. So if you want to copy what I'm doing, you want to join me in this journey, and hopefully within this month we start to be profitable and we can be one of these big boys in affiliate marketing also. So let's try that. So if you want to join me in this journey, I will show you everything, exact same campaigns I'm running. If you want to copy what I'm doing, you can do so. So the one I choose is this one that says iPhone here, and you don't need to be able to understand Portuguese and things. We just send the traffic to the Portuguese. Understand? So then we just push this one here, and at the same time we can open this one here. Let's edit the campaign. And for this case, I only did choose classic push. Okay. And here you see the put the campaign. Basically, we don't need to add these things. This is something we will look into later, but for now we don't need to don't need to think about. Just take the link you got and just paste it here, the link you got from this campaign. I can go back and you can see this link you said, just copy link and just paste it here. Okay, later we might get some funnels and we can check the traffic and things, but for now let's do it easy and see if we can make it money easily. Okay, here this does not matter that much. This is basically about in their network how easy people click through in the link. As we are paying CPC, does not matter. We are not paying CPM. CPM means that the banner is showing for you pay for each view of the banner. No, we pay for each click. So we just choose all of them. It does not matter. We do not take partner traffic because we don't know if that is quality. So we just stay with the exclusive inventory. Okay. Then we choose Brazil, of course. We go down. This is the minimum. What you can do if you want to pay less each day, you can then push 30 at the maximum budget, and here you can just put $1 if you want to even. Okay, and then it's a mobile traffic because we only take mobile, and in that case it's Android. So then we have chosen that also. Then we go down. What you choose then is giveaway, and for giveaways I remember from the past when I did affiliate marketing, women's for giveaways they like more to fill out things. Us men's, we are very lazy. Women's, they have more energy for this type of things. So nothing against us men's, but we are lazy. Sorry to say, we are lazy. So in that way I chose women to do this part. We want the best, and in that case women's are much better than us to fill out things. We do many mistakes. They are better on this type of things. So we choose women's, and in that way if I choose one here, if I could choose, I would have chosen this and this maybe, and skip it plus 50, but I can't do that. If I choose one, I need to choose both, and then I would need to make 2 campaigns. So I got lazy and I made just one for all. Then we go down. Basically here I chose a nice picture of myself with a beautiful man, right? And just one that is showing like this is good. And I did choose a landscape. I basically did take a picture of this you see here. I just right click and this picture get bigger, and I did take a picture of that. Okay, so then I did that and save, and then in a few minutes the campaign got approved, and now it's just to wait and see how this will go. So this for me is the first campaign, and this is the one I actually think we only one we should follow. So I will stop the other ones for now. We can restart them later, but let's concentrate now about Brazil and see if we can get this one in profit, and then after we can start to add others. I think it's a mistake to run many at the same time. Let's take one by one. So when we start to get this one to run in profit, then we can start to add others. So that's basically the start of this journey. I will make an update video I think tomorrow. If not, will be in the end of the week how we have done and things. So we get a lot of traffic and we can see how we have done. So with that, links below the video if you want to copy what I'm doing, and let's make some money with affiliate marketing also. So with that, have an amazing day.